If you're in real estate, then I'm sure you've heard this one recently. Video, video, video. You've got to get yourself on video in front of your clients and prospective clients. So I'm going to teach you how to take the KCM blog to very easily make that happen. So all you have to do is read our blog on a daily basis, get familiar with the content, and then do a quick summary. So you know exactly what you want to tell your clients, and then at the end, make sure you have a clear takeaway. And we have an option for that. It's called the bottom line. The last line of every blog is a great call to action that you can tie right back to your clients and maybe even add a little bit of local flair to it. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Take a look. Hi y'all, I'm Kate, your trusted real estate professional here in Midlothian, Virginia. And I have a question for you. Is now a good time to make a move? The answer is yes, and there's two big reasons why. First of all is homeowner equity. If you've been living in your house for a while, you've probably built significant equity. In fact, according to CoreLogic, in the first quarter of this year, homeowners gained an average of almost $10,000 in equity over the past year. That's huge, and that's savings that adds up significantly over time. In addition, mortgage rates are hovering at historic lows, so it's a fantastic time to get more for your money. If your family's needs have changed, if you're working remotely, if you're doing virtual schooling, whatever it may be, if you just need more space, now is a great time to sell your house and move up. In fact, I have buyers looking all over Midlothian for a home just like yours. They're looking in Salisbury, Charter Colony, Walton Park, The Grove, you name it. Someone is looking for your neighborhood. So reach out to me today and let's make that move up home your dream come true. So that's all you've got to do. I took the blog, Is Now a Good Time to Move? I gave it a real brief summary and I highlighted the two key points that are great opportunities to connect with sellers who might be ready to make a move. I added a little local flair talking about the buyers that I have in the Midlothian area that are ready to buy their homes to help motivate them to sell. So it's that easy. Take a look at the KCM blog and make your video happen today.